If you're over 60, there's one thing you might be doing every single morning. Something that feels harmless, even relaxing. But dermatologists warn it could be aging your skin, your joints, and even your entire body overnight. And here's the shocking part. This same habit is often paired with everyday foods that quietly speed up aging from the inside. Today, I want to help you stop the damage gently, safely, and naturally so your body can heal instead of breaking down. Hello, and welcome to Senior Wellness Zone 60, where we talk honestly about aging and how to age better, not faster. If you're 55 or older, this video is especially for you. Everything I'll share today is based on dermatologist advice, nutrition science, and real-life habits I see harming seniors every day without them realizing it. Let's start with the shower mistake. Dermatologists agree on this. Hot showers are one of the fastest ways to age your skin after 60. Very hot water strips away your skin's natural oils. These oils protect you from dryness, wrinkles, itching, and irritation. As we age, our skin becomes thinner, drier, slower to repair itself. So when you shower in hot water, especially for more than 10 minutes, you're washing away your skin's last line of defense. Many seniors notice tight, itchy skin, more wrinkles forming faster, redness or burning after bathing, even cracked skin on arms and legs. Dermatologists call this accelerated skin aging. And it doesn't stop at the skin. Hot showers can also worsen joint stiffness, lower blood pressure suddenly, increase dizziness or fall risk, especially in the morning. The solution is not to stop showering, it's to change the temperature. Dermatologists recommend warm water, not hot, showers under 10 minutes, a lukewarm rinse at the end. This alone can help your skin look calmer, smoother, and less wrinkled within weeks. But here's something most people don't realize. Even if you fix your shower habits, your skin and body can still age rapidly if you're eating the wrong foods. Some common foods, even ones seniors eat daily, silently damage collagen, dry out skin, weaken joints, and inflame the body from the inside. In the next part, I'll show you the most common aging foods after 60, why they speed up wrinkles and weakness, and what to eat instead for stronger skin and joints. This information alone could change how you age over the next 10 years. Take a deep breath. If you're guilty of hot showers, you're not alone, and it's not too late. When you're ready, type continue, and we'll move on to the foods that silently age your body and the simple swaps that protect you instead. Now let's talk about something just as important as your shower, the foods that silently age your body after 60. These are foods many seniors eat every day, thinking they're harmless, but dermatologists and nutrition experts warn they damage skin, joints, and energy from the inside. Food number 1. White bread, pastries, and sugary snacks. White bread, cookies, cakes, and pastries cause blood sugar spikes. When blood sugar rises too fast, it triggers a process called glycation. This process damages collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. After 60, your body struggles to repair this damage. Over time, these foods can cause deeper wrinkles, sagging skin, inflammation in joints, and faster muscle loss. Even small treats add up when eaten daily. What to eat instead? Choose whole grain bread, oats, brown rice, and natural fruits in moderation. These release sugar slowly and protect your skin and joints. Food number 2. Fried foods and processed oils. Fried foods like fries, pakoras, fried chicken, and packaged snacks are high in inflammatory oils. These oils dry out skin, increase joint pain, slow circulation, and accelerate aging from the inside. Dermatologists say inflammation is one of the biggest hidden causes of premature aging. What to eat instead? Switch to steamed or baked foods, olive oil in small amounts, nuts and seeds. These support skin hydration and reduce inflammation. Food number 3. Excess salt and packaged foods. Too much salt pulls water out of your skin cells. This leads to puffy eyes, dry, dull skin, high blood pressure, and increased stiffness in the body. Many seniors get extra salt from canned foods, instant meals, and snacks. What to eat instead? Use fresh foods, herbs and spices for flavor, and plenty of water throughout the day. Hydrated skin always looks younger. Important connection. Here's the key connection most people miss. Hot showers dry your skin from the outside. Aging foods dry and damage your body from the inside. When both happen together, aging accelerates rapidly. But the good news is you can reverse much of this. Gentle pause. In the next part, I'll show you the best foods after 60 for skin repair, nutrients dermatologists recommend, and simple daily habits that slow aging naturally. Type continue when you're ready for part 3. Now let's focus on the good news. Your body is still capable of repair, even after 60, if you give it the right building blocks. Dermatologists and nutrition experts agree. Certain foods actively repair skin, joints, and muscles instead of breaking them down. Food number 1, protein-rich foods, but the right kind. After 60, protein becomes essential for skin repair, muscle strength, and collagen production. Low protein intake is one reason seniors notice thin skin and weakness. Best choices include eggs, fish, especially salmon, lentils and beans, yogurt or Greek yogurt. These provide amino acids your skin needs to stay firm and elastic. Food number 2, healthy fats that feed your skin. Your skin needs fat, but the right kind. Healthy fats help reduce wrinkles, improve skin hydration, and support brain and joint health. Dermatologists recommend olive oil, avocados, walnuts, and flax seeds. These foods strengthen your skin barrier from the inside. Food number 3, vitamin-rich foods for collagen support. Certain vitamins protect your skin from aging damage, especially important after 60. Vitamin C, which supports collagen, vitamin A, which supports skin repair, and vitamin E, which protects against dryness. Best sources include citrus fruits, berries, carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Even small daily servings can make a visible difference. You don't need a strict diet. A simple rule works best. 1 protein source at every meal, 1 fruit or vegetable at every meal, and 1 healthy fat daily. Consistency matters more than perfection. When you combine warm showers, short shower times, and skin-supporting foods, your skin stays calmer, more hydrated, and more resilient. Many seniors notice improvements in itching, wrinkles, joint stiffness within just a few weeks. In the final part, I'll share dermatologist-approved shower habits, what to do immediately after bathing, and 1 powerful daily habit that slows aging. Let's finish with a few simple habits dermatologists strongly recommend for aging skin. Right after your shower, gently pat your skin dry, don't rub. Apply moisturizer within 3 minutes while skin is still damp. This locks in moisture and protects your skin barrier. Choose moisturizers with ceramides, glycerin, shea butter. Avoid heavily scented products. They often irritate aging skin. Best time and frequency for showering. You do not need to shower more than once daily or every other day if your skin is very dry. Morning showers should be warm, not hot. Evening showers help relax muscles and improve sleep. Just keep them short. 1 powerful daily habit that slows aging. Here's a habit many dermatologists quietly recommend. Hydration plus movement. Drink water consistently throughout the day, not all at once. And move your body gently. Walking, stretching, light strength exercises. This improves circulation, skin glow, joint health, and balance. Reassurance for seniors. Aging does not mean decline. With better shower habits, smarter food choices, and gentle daily care, your body can stay strong, comfortable, and confident. Small changes done daily protect you far more than drastic changes done rarely. Closing message. If this video helped you, share it with someone over 60 you care about. Subscribe to Senior Wellness Zone 60 for simple, doctor-inspired tips that help you age with dignity and strength. Take care of yourself. Your body is listening.